A founder just ran a $10 million telehealth business with 2 AI tools and 0 employees. Inc.com covered it this week. The guy used ChatGPT and Claude to handle patient intake, marketing copy, vendor emails, compliance research, basically everything that would normally require a team of 10. And he's not some outlier anymore. MIT put out research this month showing AI can now realistically replace 11.7% of real workforce tasks. Not theoretical tasks, real ones. So if you're a solopreneur or you want to be one, the question isn't whether AI can run parts of your business. It can. The question is which tools actually do the job and how do you wire them together? That's what this video is. We're going to go function by function the way an actual business runs. Marketing, customer service, finance and bookkeeping, legal basics, content, and ops. For each one, I'll tell you the tool, exactly what it does, a specific use case, and what it costs. By the end, you'll have a real stack you can start using this week. First, marketing. Most solopreneurs waste hours writing cold emails, ad copy, and social posts that don't convert. The fix is Claude combined with Perplexity. Here's how it works in practice. You open Perplexity, that's the AI that actually searches the web in real time, and you ask it, what are the top pain points for SaaS founders right now? It pulls live data from Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, recent articles. Then you take those insights straight into Claude and say, write me 5 cold email variations targeting this pain point for a solo B2B consultant. Claude writes at a level that seriously rivals a good copywriter. The whole workflow, research to 5 polished email variations, takes about 12 minutes. Perplexity is free for basic use, $20 a month for pro. Claude is $20 a month for the version that matters, $40 and you don't need a marketing agency. Second, customer service. This is the one that kills most solo operators. You can't be available 24/7, but customers expect it. Intercom's Fin AI handles this. It's not a basic chatbot. It reads your entire knowledge base, your product docs, your FAQ, your pricing page, and it answers customer questions like a trained support rep. A real example, an e-commerce founder I know set it up in about 2 hours. It now handles 74% of inbound support tickets without human involvement. When it can't answer, it escalates cleanly. The customers don't even know it's AI. Fin AI starts at $29 per month and it scales with usage. Compared to hiring even a part-time support person, that's nothing. Third, finance and bookkeeping. Nobody starts a business to do bookkeeping. Keeper changes that. It's an AI-powered bookkeeping tool built specifically for self-employed people and small operators. You connect your bank accounts and business cards, and it automatically categorizes transactions, flags things that look off, and generates clean monthly reports. If something's unclear, the AI asks you a targeted question. Not a list of 40 questions, just the one it actually needs. It also catches deductions you'd miss. A freelance designer I know saved $2,200 on taxes last year purely from deductions Keeper found that they hadn't been tracking. It's $20 a month. That's less than 1 billable hour for most solopreneurs. Fourth, legal. I want to be clear. I'm not saying replace a lawyer for serious legal matters. I'm saying stop paying $400 an hour to review a basic NDA or draft a standard freelance contract. Spellbook is an AI contract tool built on GPT-4 that lives inside Google Docs. You paste in a contract and it flags risky clauses, suggests edits, and explains what the language actually means in plain English. For drafting, Harvey AI is more advanced. It's used by actual law firms, but there's a business tier. For most solopreneurs, Spellbook covers 80% of what you need. Client agreements, vendor contracts, basic service terms. Spellbook starts at $49 a month. Compare that to even 1 hour of attorney time. Fifth, content. If you're running a business in 2026 and you're not producing content, you're invisible. But content takes time most solopreneurs don't have. Here's the stack that actually works. ChatGPT for ideation and outlines. It's still the fastest brainstorming tool out there. Claude for writing the actual copy because the output reads better. 11 Labs for voiceover if you're doing video or podcasts. You set up your voice clone once and it's there for everything. And in-video AI to turn a script into a full video without touching a camera. One person with this stack can realistically produce 3 to 4 pieces of solid content per week in about 2 hours total. That's not theoretical, that's what this channel runs on. ChatGPT is $20 a month. 11 Labs starts at $5. In-video AI starts at $25. Under $70 total for a full content engine. Sixth, ops and admin. This is everything that doesn't fit neatly into the other categories. Scheduling, project tracking, automating repetitive workflows. Make.com is the automation backbone. Think of it like Zapier, but more powerful and cheaper. You build visual workflows. When a new client fills out your intake form, Make automatically creates a project in Notion, sends a welcome email, books an onboarding call, and adds them to your CRM. All of it without you touching a thing. Pair that with Notion AI for internal documentation, meeting summaries, and SOPs, and your ops are genuinely automated. Make.com starts free and scales to $9 a month for most solo workflows. Notion AI is $10 a month added to your Notion plan, $19 to automate the admin that was eating your afternoons. So here's the full stack and what it actually costs. Perplexity plus Claude for marketing, $40 a month. Intercom Fin AI for customer service, $29. Keeper for bookkeeping, $20. Spellbook for legal, $49. ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and InVideo AI for content, $70. Make.com and Notion AI for ops, $19. Total, roughly $227 a month. That's your entire business infrastructure. Compare that to hiring even one part-time employee. You're looking at $2,000 to $3,000 a month minimum. The math isn't close. And what this stat gives you isn't just cost savings, it's leverage. You can operate at a scale that used to require a team of 5 or 6 while staying lean enough to actually move fast. If you found this useful, subscribe. I put out one video a week on AI tools that actually move the needle for solopreneurs. No padding, no hype, just what works. And next video, I'm showing you the exact Make.com workflow I use to automate client onboarding from first contact to signed contract to project kickoff, all without touching it manually. It's one of the highest leverage things I've built. That video drops next week. See you there.